Another day, another opportunity for glorious thunder. Hi, I'm Chad, and welcome to Virtual Reality, where I like to start my vlogs because it is a place where we can do wheelies. Back to reality. So in today's video, quick update as to the status of my race bike and other important things pertinent to me going racing at the end of this month. We are less than 2 weeks away from CRA's second round of the 2023 season at Podium Club in Arizona. And following my crash back in February at Button Willow at round 1, there's been quite a bit to do. Now my bike is all fixed up and ready to go. The only thing left that is being done to it is it's getting new fork springs, which I'm really excited about because the springs that were in the bike when I raced it back in February were definitely too soft. The springs that were in the forks of the bike were 0.85 kilograms per square millimeter, which is too soft. For context, in my 2012 Daytona 675R, I have 1.0 kilogram per square millimeter springs, so quite a bit stiffer in the front. And we're putting a matching spring onto the shock as well. So I have to get the suspension dialed in, but I'm really excited to see how the bike performs with the suspension really set up properly for me. Should be quite good. So the bike is just about ready to go. I have bodywork for it, I have a windscreen, and number plates should arrive this week. So we're on track, baby. I was a little nervous, and the past couple weeks I've been a little stressed out, not thinking I was going to be ready in time, but it's looking like I will be. My race suit is ready for pickup as well. I'm going to go pick that up this week along with the bike. And I got new gloves, you couldn't tell. Dainese Full Metal 6s, really solid glove. I actually had these back in 2021 and crashed, and I wouldn't say totally ruined them at the start of 2022, but they were just filled with dirt, so I didn't want to bother trying to clean them all out. I vacuumed them out and did my best to clean them, but still felt like sandpaper on my hands. So I bought Steel Pros, which were great gloves, but those are all trash now. I threw them away actually because they had holes in them, so definitely needed some new gauntlet gloves, and I got the best ones, in my opinion, that money can buy. So this is the first time I'm wearing these gloves, so break-in day today, very exciting. Feel very good so far. I am a fan. And the best part is they're only going to feel better from here. Back to reality once again. So yeah, everything is coming right along. I did order some new boots, but I don't think they're going to be here in time. So I have a pair of Axial Pro-Ins that have been crashed in a couple times, but they still work. I'm wearing them right now. I've been wearing them since I ruined my Axial D1s, which was a bummer because they had fluo red on them like my gloves. Could have been matchy-matchy. But I ordered another pair of those. But yeah, if the boots show up, that'd be awesome. I'd love to rock them, but if they don't, I've got the pair on my feet, so we'll be okay. But it's crazy, coming up on it, less than 2 weeks. I haven't been to a racetrack since I crashed, so crashing was the last thing I did on a motorcycle at the racetrack. But I'm excited, looking forward to getting back out there and finishing my first expert race. I shouldn't say my first expert race, but finishing an expert race for the first time. That is the goal. That is the only goal. Finishing my races and heading home and having fun and being proud of myself. So as long as I can do those things, it will be a good time. But it's funny because I'm definitely a little bit anxious and very excited, but I'm not as nervous as I feel like I was the last time I went to the racetrack after a crash. Given more time had passed between the crash and the time I went to the racetrack after that last year, my crash was in was it February of 2022, and I didn't go back to the track until like the middle or end of May. So looking at like 2.5 months of time passing versus 3.5 last year, and I'm definitely a better motorcycle racer than I was back then, so that helps too, I think. I'm definitely able to lean into that extra experience and draw some confidence from it, so good stuff, good stuff. Podium Club is going to be exciting though. I've watched a lot of videos of people riding around there, and it looks like a really fun track. Very technical, has a very long straightaway at the front though, so it's going to be very interesting going there for the first time, trying to get as familiar as I can with the track on Friday. And that's the only day that I have to practice and learn the track, so lots of YouTube videos. That is my plan. That is my strategy. But yeah, that's about it for now. Just going to be getting everything back together and ready. Got to put the bodywork on the bike this week. And also, now that I remember, I got to put a front wheel on the bike because the one that's on it currently is bent and is trash. So if you have been keeping up with this whole journey and watched my last couple moto vlogs, you will know that I picked up a new front wheel and a second set of wheels. So that is going to solve that problem. But right now, the front wheel that I plan to use on the bike as the A wheel does not have rotors on it, and it has a rain tire on it. So I gotta bolt the rotors on, and then I gotta get the rain tire taken off and a slick put on, but I got plenty of takeoff, so gonna be good. So I got the bodywork on the bike, make sure everything still fits properly, get the front wheel on the bike, and then the bike's ready to go. I'm not going to worry about painting before this round. I have less than 2 weeks, not enough time. Worry about that after this round because I'll have a good, I think 3, maybe 4 months between this round and the next CRA round in August. So plenty of time to take stuff to get painted. That's when I'm going to do it. So with that little update, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. So thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, I would sincerely appreciate a gentle little click of the like button, and if you considered subscribing for more motorcycling content like this, and drop a comment below. Are you going to the racetrack soon? I would assume that wherever you are in the world, it's about time to start getting the bike out from winter storage. I wouldn't know anything about that because I live in California and simulate wheelies in California. But anywho, drop a comment below if you're going to the track soon and are excited about it. Thanks again for watching, and I'll hope to catch you in the next one. Until then, later.